guys, so today we are going to see how to connect Excel as database using UiPath. Okay, so the very first requirement is to have Microsoft Access database engine. So currently I have 64-bit engine because 32-bit engine is not supported in my system. Okay, so I have installed it. So where can you find this? Okay, just search it on Google, and the very first Microsoft portal you can open it, and from there you can download it in English version. Okay, so once you have installed it, you can open your UiPath. Okay, so our requirement today is, you can see right here the content file in my desktop. So here we have one column with status. So we are updating this status column wherever the pay is greater than 50,000. Okay, let's take that as requirement. Okay, let's open UiPath. So the first dependency here is to have UiPath.database.activities. Otherwise you cannot have the activities related to database. Okay, let's start the connection first. So I'll use OLEDB connection. Okay, you can go with ODBC also. So we have two type of connections. OLEDB is generally faster compared to ODBC. Okay, so let's configure the connection. Open the connection wizard. Go with other. Then OLEDB. This is the one I was talking about. And our provider is, I have 64-bit version, so let's go with 16.0s. Okay, sorry, this one. And server or file name, that is nothing but the path of this Excel. Copy as path. I'll give the path. I'll remove the quotations. Okay, so if I click on test connection, the file is already in use. Let's close this file. File is okay. So I have not provided the extended properties here. So extended properties are necessary for this connection string to understand what version of Excel it is, and whether you want to read the headers or whether you want to take the format as intact, whatever present in the Excel. So you can see, right, our connection string is half baked. We didn't provide this extended properties. Let's provide it. So I think it's okay. It is case sensitive, I think. So I have it in my notepad. Yes, this is it. Okay, let's copy this. We can see that semicolons here. Okay, separating. So these are very important. Now click on OK. Now see the connection string. Yep, it seems good. Click on test connection. Okay, test connection succeeded. Click on OK. And it is OLEDB. Click on OK. So connection to database is successful. Let's give this connection a name. str string db connection. Okay, fine. So now let's run command. We'll first give the connection. We already have the connection string. Click on OK, and let's give a command. So the SQL command will be passed into Excel. Okay, so that is the requirement. So why it is needed, first of all? So why we are not going with the conventional Excel activities present? So the reason is, if you have a lot of data in your Excel, opening that Excel and closing that Excel, it will require a lot of CPU, and sometimes the Excel will have crashing issues. So in order to avoid that, we are using this Excel as database connections. Okay, so if we have simple SQL commands to be passed in the Excel, this is the finest method you can use. Okay, so let's go with update. What we have to update? We have to update our sheet. Which sheet? Content. Copy that, and dollar sign is needed. Okay, so this is the proper formatting or syntax, you can call. Update that sheet and set status. Status is a column. I have it in lowercase. Yep. Set status equal to pass. This is our requirement. And where I need to set status as pass? Where pay is greater than 50,000. Okay, this is our query. You don't have to put semicolons. Okay, so this will work fine. That's it. And the very important thing is you have to disconnect the connection from database. So why we have to disconnect? Okay, the reason is if you pass this command, uh, the Excel which was opened as cache will get updated. Okay, so if you don't provide disconnect from database, the actual Excel that won't be updated. So in order for the actual Excel to get updated, you have to disconnect from the Excel. So the data whatever present in the cache, it will be reflected in your main Excel. Okay, that is the reason. Okay, let's disconnect from the connection, strdb connection. Okay, okay, this is my Excel file. I'll save it and close it. So why we are closing the Excel file? Uh, it is generally a safer method. Okay, uh, to close the Excel before running a bot. So it is advised to use kill applications and close the Excel or whatever the files or programs that are running currently. Okay, which we are going to need in the bot. Those must be closed. Let's debug that, or you can run it, no problem. Let's see. So that's it. You can see, right? It has ran in, I think, 1 second. That's it. Okay, let me refresh and open content. Oh yes, it did it right. You can see. So let me save this Excel. Okay, and let me run it while the Excel is open. Let me see what's happening. Okay, it is working fine, but it is advised to close the Excel before the bot will run or in the production. Okay, let me run it again. Yes, it is working fine. So this is how we can use Excel as database. Okay, I have shown you uh, OLEDB method. We can go with ODBC also. So generally ODBC is little slower compared to OLEDB. So we'll see that also. So I have my connection string ready. Str ODBC connection. This is the variable, and I think I have it in my notepad. Yep, this is the connection string for ODBC driver. Okay, Control C, and I'll paste it here. Okay, you can see, right? This is the driver, and this is the database. That is our Excel file. And read only 0. Read only 0 means we can read and write in that file. Read only 1 means we can only read in that file. Okay, whatever the data present in that file, we can only read. Okay. So now instead of going with this, we'll go with the ODBC. Okay. So str ODBC connection, this one. Save. And here also we have to go with system.data.odbc. Click on OK. And here also we can go with the ODBC connection. Click on OK. What's happening here? Str ODBC. Okay, this is not an existing connection. So existing connection is this one, strdb connection. So we can use that only. Sorry. strdb connection. Fine. Okay, I'll save it. And let's test ODBC. Click on run. It should work. Okay, I think the path is correct, right? Okay, so let me check our Excel. Yep, it worked. You can see, right? Okay, I'll run it again. I'll close the Excel. So yep, it's working. So I have told that OLEDB is faster than ODBC, but now here you can see only 1 second for both the bots to run. So the reason is we have very less data here. Okay, so generally this for this much of data we don't go with Excel as database. If we have tons of data, like it's going way below, then we have to use it. Okay, but have it have the knowledge of it for a safer side. If you deal with any heavy Excels, it will come handy. Okay, okay then. Thank you for watching my video, and you can find this summary slide here. You can take a screenshot. Thank you. Bye.